This is the winter arc. The time of quiet work. The time of silent transformation. While the world hibernates, you will build. While they seek comfort, you will seek discipline. These are the habits that separate the man you are from the man you are destined to become. 1. The preservation of drive. Stop spilling your vital energy into the digital void. That fire, it was meant to build empires. Your body. Your focus. Your mission. Not to be drained by shadows on a screen. Preserve it. And watch the man you were meant to be finally emerge. 2. The cold. You know it's coming. The workout is done, but the real test begins. The body screams no. The mind must remain silent. You step in. The shock. The panic. And then control. You are teaching your body that your will is law. 3. The first battle. The alarm. The first test of the day. The world is dark. The bed is warm. But your mission is not. No snooze. No negotiation. Feet on the floor. Win the first battle before anyone else is even awake. 4. The pre-dawn work. This is your time. The iron is cold. The gym is quiet. This is where the work is done. While they sleep, you build. You are crafting a future they will not understand until it's already built. 5. The first hour. The first hour belongs to you. Not to the screen. Not to the noise. Let them check their feeds. You are checking in with yourself. This quiet. This stillness. It is your armor for the day. 6. The ledger. Get a notebook. Write it all down. The reps, the pages. The days won. This is not for them. This is for you. This is the proof. This is how momentum becomes undeniable. 7. The vessel. Stop demanding greatness while feeding your body garbage. Sugar. Processed. Distractions. Clean your diet and watch your mind become clear. Your energy, stable. You eat for fuel. Not for comfort. Respect the vessel. 8. The sharpening. 10 pages. Every single day. Not scrolls. Not posts. Books. The mind is a weapon. You must sharpen it as relentlessly as you train your body. The winter is for wisdom. 9. The mirror. At the end of the day. Face the blank page. The wins. The losses. The lessons. This is where you meet yourself. This is how you stop repeating the same mistakes. This is self-awareness. 10. The mission. 5 minutes. Before you sleep. You write the plan for tomorrow. The workout. The one hard task. You will not wake up and wonder. You will wake up and execute. A king knows his mission. 11. The cold walk. Hoodie up. Headphones in or off. Just walk. The cold air cleanses the mind. It reminds you that you are alive. And that the fire inside is all that matters. 12. The stillness. Find silence. 10 minutes. No music. No podcasts. No one. Just you and the world. In the stillness, you will finally hear your own voice. It has been waiting to speak. 13. The final discipline. Sleep. 7. 8 hours. Non-negotiable. The phone is off. The room is dark. A warrior does not grind himself to dust. He recovers. He rebuilds. And he comes back, stronger. The winter is not a season of rest. It is a season of building. Do the work. Especially when no one is watching.